Hi guys, good day and welcome to Lawrence Show. So I have a friend here na may question si Sir Nick Lasora. Okay? So may question ka Nick?
Yes, Coach. Coach, tanong ko lang, how you take the risk sa stock market? Kasi maraming natatakot sa risk ng stock market.
Okay, so syempre maraming ways to combat that risk. No? First is syempre you have to educate yourself. No? And it applies to all investment din na pag hindi mo alam yung ini-investan mo, hindi mo alam kung ano investment yan, no? Medyo delikado. So you have to know what yourself what you're getting into, di ba? So you have to understand the stock market and basically dapat pag nag-invest sa stock market, it's gonna be for long term, no? Since if it's gonna be long term, mas lesser risk yan. Okay, and syempre it could go down because hindi siya insured, no, ng PDIC. It could go down depende yan sa stock market, no, sa economy, maraming conditions, no. But basically historically, no, it goes up, no. From kumbaga if it's gonna be long term, no, tataas pa rin siya. Okay, so and also 'di ba, to combat that risk you have to have solid foundation. Yung tinatawag na dapat meron kang emergency fund na in case na bumaba yung market, you can combat that risk na hindi mo i-withdraw, di ba, yung investment mo. So yan, emergency fund, consistent cash flow, no, hindi pwede yung mag-i-invest ka sa stock market kasi gusto mong kumita, no, dapat meron kang consistent na cash flow. So yan, syempre healthcare, di ba, may life insurance ka, protected ka, no? So those are the ways, no, para ma-combat mo yung risk na yun. Again, stock market's not guaranteed, but again, historically, no, it could generate 12 to minsan 20% a year, no? So depende sa market yan. So those are the ways to combat the risk. Okay, and especially syempre, you have to invest in yourself again and know everything, magbasa ka about the stock market, or kung anumang klaseng investment yan, you have to know, no, kung ano yung pinapasok mo. Okay, again, thank you Sir Nick for your question, and I hope na may natutunan ka rin, and please share this video. And yun, if you have any question, just type in the comment section below. Okay, God bless.